Hi all. Here today I am going to explain you active and passive voice, and active voice when it is in the simple past tense. Okay, if the sentence is in simple past tense, then how we have to change it into passive voice. Okay, so I will explain you with an example. Okay, so to the concept, when we explain with the help of an example or with the help of examples, the concept becomes easier to understand. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that how we have to change the sentence which is in the active voice and it is in the simple past tense to passive voice. Okay, so I'm taking an example. Shyam took the picture. Okay, Shyam took the picture. Shyam is the subject here. Took is the verb and it is in the second form. Okay, because we are writing this active voice in the simple past tense. Okay, this is the verb in the second form. Take, took. Okay, the picture, it is the object here. Okay, now in order to change this sentence which is in active voice and it is in simple past tense, to change it into passive voice, what we are going to do? First, this object will take the place of this subject. Okay, and it is in singular. Shyam is singular, it is in third person, it is the third person, and the picture is also singular. Okay, so when I am going to write it in the passive voice, so how I have to write and what rule I have to follow? You see, the picture, okay, because the picture is singular here, so I will write was. The picture was. Okay, and I told you in my earlier videos also that whenever we are writing the sentence or changing active voice into passive voice, we always use the third form of the verb in the passive voice. So the third form of the verb took is taken. Okay, so the picture was taken by Shyam. Okay, the picture was taken by Shyam. Okay, in case if this object would have been in the plural form, like Shyam took the pictures. Okay, the pictures means more than one pic. Okay, so it is in the past form. Okay, Shyam ने pictures लिया था. Okay, so the pictures is the here the objects. Here the pictures are the, we are going to write it in the place of the subject. Okay, so the object here is the pictures. The pictures, and it is in the plural form. So we will write were. The pictures were, and the third form of took will be taken. Okay, the first form is take, the second form of the verb take is took, and the third form is taken. So the pictures were taken by Shyam. Okay, if the active voice was like this, that they took the pictures, so they is also plural here. So the pictures were taken by them. They will change it to them. Okay, or for example, if I say we took the pictures were taken by us, we will change it into us. Okay, so what rule we have to follow here is that in the passive voice we will write the object first, then was when the object is in the singular form, were when the object will be in the plural form. Okay, and then the verbs third form plus by, and now we will write the subject here. Okay? So children, hope you understood that how you have to change active voice, that is change into that is given in the simple past tense, into passive voice. Okay? So we have to apply this to object plus was or verb plus verb's third form plus by plus subject. Okay? Like in subject, in active voice, the subject, okay, and in passive voice, the subject's place is taken by the object here. Okay, so children, hope you understood this concept, and yet if you have not subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.